Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with an incoming swap from Julie. Her and I participated in Puchy's Halloween swap, and what we had to do was we had to put together a set of Halloween bows, a set of Halloween tassels, a Halloween bead box, a personalized item for our partner's craft room, a 3D project, and that's it. I do have a video where I filmed what I had sent Julie, so that will be coming out. I'm going to be linking Julie's Instagram and YouTube channel below, so I hope you will go check her out. I'm also going to be linking Puchy's Instagram and YouTube channel. I hope you will check her out. And I'm also going to leave the hashtag that's being used on Instagram so that you guys can go search it and see all of the cool swaps that people have done. So my box has arrived from Julie, so we're going to go ahead and open it. Let's see here. Okay, I want to make sure I don't show her address. Okay. Oh, it's got all kinds of fun. Wish I could show you the box better. It's just really big and my little filming area just can't handle that, but it is decorated so pretty on the top. I mean, I'll try to, it's got pretty gold paper and really pretty shred. And she has a note. Okay, and she's saying thank you for swapping with me, and that she did the 3D project in a fall theme, which was fine because we talked about, you know, what we wanted to do. Like, do you want everything Halloween? Do you want other, you know, other themes, like especially for the craft room item? Because, you know, if you're going to keep it up in your craft room all year, do you want fall or do you want Halloween or do you want something else? And I was like, I don't care, like whatever, I like everything. And she was the same way. Oh my gosh, you packed it so good, Julie. I think everything's gonna be fine. And I'm seeing this beautiful, beautiful box. Let me pull it out and show it to you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, hold on guys, I will pull it out. Let me make sure I don't leave anything behind. Okay, let's get the shred. And look at this beautiful box. Oh my gosh. How cool is this? Okay. Wow, this is so cool. So she wanted to know if anything got ruined. I would say the only thing is that this got bent a little bit, but it's literally no big deal. But other than that, it's like totally fine. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It looks like she used those Dollar Tree stickers. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I love it. And look how she has this little charm here. So let's start here first. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, it's filled with rosettes. How fun. These are so pretty. Wow. Love these. Look at the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. It is literally filled with rosettes. Absolutely beautiful. Oops, I got that one upside down. Love these. And she had told me, she's like, do you mind if do you want decorated rosettes or do you want not decorated rosettes? And I said, you know, I usually send mine not decorated because I like people to have a part in the, you know, in the process, but I like both. So she sent me the non-decorated, which I love. And look at these cute little bag holders. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. This looks like it might have fell off one of the rosettes, so we'll get that attached again. Super cute. And look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Those are gorgeous. And then the inside of the box, I don't know if you guys can see the paper, the beautiful leaves. That's so pretty. Let me stick this in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to stick that back in there later. So let's put all the rosettes back in the box so we can make some room. I'm excited about these rosettes, you guys. Okay. Next we have, let's start over here on this side. Oh, look how cool these bows are with the bat wings. Those are so fun. Oh my gosh, and she put little eyes on them. Can you guys see that? That is so cool. And I love the paper. That paper is so pretty. And she put glitter. How fun. And then, let's see here. She put, oh, she did some of the apples. Very cool. And I love how she put the spiders in there. That's so creepy. The spider sequins. Oh my gosh. And then she put all these other tiny little candy ones in there. Those are so cute. And look how she used that Joann's on the top. Oh my gosh, I am getting texted like crazy. She put the that Joann's like mesh on the top. So cool. And we have some cute little stickers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I never saw these at Hobby Lobby. I love these. I think because I started after they stopped carrying Halloween. But look at those little candy corns. Those are so cute. Oh, and she did some more rosettes. So cute. And then we have some fun candy stickers and dog stickers, balloon animals. So cute. I'm gonna put these back in here. Oh my gosh, this box is so cool. I'm gonna have to ask her like how she made it. Okay, and next we have this bag with these cute little ghosties. So let's open this. Okay, and inside we have these awesome, oh my gosh, look at these. These are awesome rosettes that are decorated. I love how she used those hands. I like the size of those hands. The hands I have are so much bigger. Julie, where did you get these? I love this size. It's like the perfect size. And look how she has the feathers, you guys. That looks so cool. And then she has bones, like the bones from the Dollar Tree. And there's bones sticking out. That's so cool how she did that. And there's a skeleton. I like how she like stuck little creepy things in between the layers. And that really cool spider. And her little skeleton has a ring. And she cut out one of the webs from the web tool. And then she made flowers out of the popcorn tool from Dollar Tree. These are so cool. Oh, and she used some of those little glitter balls, which I think are from like either Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. These are so cool. How fun. Okay, and then next we have this bag, and she sent me some of the cute little erasers from Target. Oh my gosh, love these. And she used one of her cute little bag toppers. She has one of her cute little poisonous apples. So cute. And then, oh, this must have been in, something must have been in that. Let me make sure. Oh, there's stuff in here. Okay, let me pull this out. Let me make sure I got, nope, I'm still pulling things out. Okay, I think I got everything. And then I've got more cute poisonous apples. Love these so much. I have this die and I haven't used it yet. So it's so fun to see it put together in person. Super cute. And then we have this really fun Halloween, kind of like a shaker mix. It's a sequence mix, I guess you could say, but I feel like it's more of like a shaker mix because it's got some really cute slices in it of polymer clay. Like you can see like little candy corns. So fun. I never saw these either at Dollar Tree, so that's so cool. We have a fun little skeleton just chilling over here. So let's see what's in this part. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, so this side, she made like a little hanger. And these can actually hang. Oh my gosh, I need to get this die because this is so cute. These can actually hang on here on the, she used a pretty gold straw and made like a hanger. So that's so fun. Let me see if I'm seeing like, okay, so she put some padding in there with some tissue so that it wouldn't like move around too much. Okay. So here, oh, what are these? Are these little tickets? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're little Halloween like spider tickets filled with spiders. Those are so fun. And then she shared some of her little Halloween bubbles with me, which is so cute. Thank you so much. And then, oh, here's the tassels. Okay, so she was telling me she had a hard time with the tassels. So let's look. Because I was like, I'm sure I'm going to love them. Oh my gosh, this paper is so pretty that she used. It's actually laminated. It's really pretty. It's laminated with glitter on it. Julie, you did so good. They're so pretty. I love them. And we have the little bows on them. And I love the colors that she used. These are really pretty. Gorgeous. And then we have our creepy skeleton, which we're going to put him back in here so he can watch over us as we open the rest. I think we're going to save the bead box for last. Let's go in the back. Okay, we're going to go here and here. Let me make sure. Okay, I didn't leave anything out. Okay, what is this? Washi tape. Oh my gosh, look how big that is. That is so cool. You could easily cover like a huge space, and look how pretty that gold is. Wow, thank you. And then let's see. Oh, she shared some ribbon. This is really cool ribbon. I love these pumpkins. This is really beautiful. Thank you so much. I don't have any big Halloween ribbon like that. I don't have a lot of Halloween ribbon actually because I just started crafting this year. So thank you so much. And then it looks like we have another one over here. This one's really cool. This is black and white, and it's really cool skeletons. I love it. It's wired. Both of them are wired. And something a lot of people don't realize about wired ribbon is you can actually just remove the wire. If you don't want it to be wired, you can just pull it out. So that is so cool. I love wired ribbon because you have the option of both. Okay. The bead box. Here we go. Oh, how cool. I love how she decorated it with the spider webs and the popcorn tool. I call it popcorn tool. I think a lot of people call it snowball tool. So cool. I love her little pumpkin. It's like a little wood pumpkin, and she used the Boo stickers from Dollar Tree and the Witch in the Haunted House from Dollar Tree. So cool. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, lots of fun little goodies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so over here, oopsie. Let me tip this over. Over here, what are these? Oh, these are colorful eyes. How fun. And then in here we have some gold beads, some turquoise beads. We have some cabochons in here. Super cute. And we have some really cool charms. Moons. I see a really neat looking owl. Oh, look at this moon. This one's really cool. Then over here, we have some pretty raspberry beads in 3 different colors. I'm super excited about these little guys right here because I've seen people haul these. I can't remember where they're from. Maybe like, honestly, I don't remember, so I don't want to say the wrong place. But they're skeleton bears, and I've always thought they were so cute, and I don't know why I didn't ever pull the trigger and buy them. But now I have some, so I'm glad I did it. And then we have some really pretty Halloween beads. We've got some faceted yellow and black, and some matte ones, some more matte beads, which are really pretty in pastel colors. Then we have, oh, this is like a cabochon, a really cool cabochon. And we have some really fun colors of brads, which I'm so excited about. I love brads. And it's one of those things that, like, I feel like they're not that easy to find for me. Like, maybe I'm looking in the wrong places. We have a bunch of really cool skeleton beads here, which I love. I have not seen anything like these. These are really cool. And then over here we have like a little smorgasbord of all kinds of beads. So we've got like little freshwater pearls. We've got bell-shaped flowers. We've got pretty faceted like blue beads that have like blue and white in them. That's so cool. Just a bunch of really pretty colors. Look at that clear one with the red in it. That's so fun. How fun. Wow, this was so cool. Thank you so much, Julie. I had so much fun. Thank you for swapping with me. I'm thinking to myself right now, did I send you a card? I can't remember. I might have been like so excited to send you your package that I might have forgot to send a card. Oh my gosh. Anyway, thank you so much. I loved everything. I think you did an amazing job. And I know you were worried about your tassels, but I think they're beautiful. I think you did a wonderful job. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to clip them on somebody's project in the future. Thank you so much for swapping with me. Thank you, Puchy, for hosting this. You are an amazing host. And I thank all of you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please go check out Puchy and Julie. And take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.